In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with Affirm, choose a payment plan that fits your budget, and keep everything on track from start to finish. First, a quick overview. Affirm is a buy now, pay over time option that appears at checkout for eligible Amazon purchases. Availability, purchase minimums, and terms can vary by item, seller, and location, so what you see may differ, but the flow is straightforward and transparent. Start by filling your Amazon cart with the items you want. Make sure your cart is final before moving on, since changing quantities, shipping options, or items later can affect the amount you're approved for. Some categories might not be eligible, and minimum purchase amounts may apply. When you're ready to check out, proceed as you normally would. On the payment screen, select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be asked to enter a few pieces of information so Affirm can evaluate your request. This is quick, and you'll get a real-time decision right on the checkout page, so you can keep moving without any guesswork. Once approved, you'll see ways to pay. Affirm will present different plan options based on your purchase, such as shorter terms with higher payments or longer terms with lower payments. Take a moment to compare them and think about your cash flow, upcoming expenses, and how fast you want to pay your balance down. Next, select the payment schedule that works best for you. Affirm clearly shows your payment dates, the total amount you'll repay, and any interest that may apply. Review the disclosure carefully so you understand the full cost of your purchase before you agree. When you're comfortable with the terms, confirm your selection and complete your Amazon checkout as usual. After your order is placed, making payments is simple. Affirm will outline exactly when each payment is due, so there are no surprises. Pay on or before those dates to keep your plan in good standing and avoid extra costs from interest if any applies to your plan. You can always revisit your schedule to see what's coming up. To stay organized, download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. From there, you can view your purchase, track your remaining balance, and see all upcoming due dates. Enable notifications so you receive helpful reminders and never miss a payment. That's it. Fill your cart, choose Affirm at checkout, pick the plan that fits your budget, make your payments on time, and manage everything easily in the app or online.